glorious victory for Jamaica's Reggae Boyz in the CONCACAF Nations League third place playoff against our regional nemesis, Panama, on a super strike courtesy of right wing back Dexter Lembisika, a real collector's item that any specialist centre forward would be proud of. A strike that was worthy of winning any title, much less a third place medal. Overall though, across both games in a World Cup qualifying here, the way the Reggae Boyz competed against the big bad USA in their backyard, losing that game by extended stoppage time. And then how we picked ourselves up from that disappointment and maintained our quality and our tactical discipline to overcome a tough Panama team. And remember, this was a depleted Jamaica team, missing 5 or 6 regular starters, but still, the level of performance remained classy, disciplined, and consistent. This was a good look for the Reggae Boyz going into the Copa America, the World Cup qualifiers, and beyond. And beyond.